Hi guys, this is a walk around my 1988 F-150. Repainted dark matter gray. I just installed the Flowmasters 40. You hear the sound? Dual exhaust. Those are the US Mac wheels, 15 by 9. Lifted 2.5 inches with a rough country lift kit. So we did the interior here. Putting a newer, better steering wheel, original. Put in the original stereo cassette player. That's what's playing right there. It's a cassette. See it here? All original inside. I changed the light over here, but a new one, original. New seats, new carpet. I installed a sound system with the little woofers that include the power already in them, and they give a pretty good deep sound. This one comes with a little foldable bench, and I'm actually looking for the one on the other side that goes over there.